Ya kini kikot wat benia la pelat Paidbah do Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kabalairon lang usumbut Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau ba Preston Tunsong u Chief Executive Member ke KHADC ba peniat sing CM ke Executive Member ke Council kinong wat benia bat kiwi-kiwi. Kikot wat benia ke bala pelat ki kentup halor ka peteng khasi kentup ke jing sumar ke Mariang ling baki rukom tenrai ki dawai tenrai ba jing sumar kinong pang na keleng ki jaka ka Dustur ajat kemia bat kirukom Shongkha Shongman hak emlang salang okasi bat kiwi-kiwi. Habakran ne jingelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakalong ka bakong san ba ban bu ikikot ki balawat benia bha kabayadai bat kala Riti biki Dustur jeng ipat riulum ke jela Megalaya. Kenang baka pertai kan tip bat ulapan bena bayak ini kikot wat benia an sabu ulut haki library jeng baro ki college bat ki school ba ki badana ke jela. Ulero ya ki riwat benia ki bala penlong ya ka wat benia hakal yang ki beper badulong ba an sapat ke jing tho syo menteri ke tenat puni putih ke sarkar pedeng ban ailat ban bo ikat tu kan ki kot wat benia ki library jeng ki school ba ke sarkar pedeng namar ki breu gidan kam ban puli ban snutho ban tip syapang ka imlang salang jeng ki riulum ki badana ke jela Megalaya. Ulong ba ke sarkar jela kan kersian ki kambuat benia ba ke jengjok jok ke jeng persian ka KHADC kala banlong ke nuksa ya ki baipat ki district council baki nyebut lem.
Opposition but ruling di trelang sunrok haba kadon kanu ka bill kadon kanu ka amendment ngayu ba kadon ka jingi trelang ngai kublei namar kata ya ki lai phomut ar phokandai elected but iway nominated namang iji ong ba ka district council kadai maka kaba ai ya ka jing yada ya ka jela ka jungi kaba don lai teli ki jan bekli garo kasi bat jai dia da ka beburom ngas ngosi teng ban pej baka expectation jogi Paidbah kamlong kumbangi kemilenti den rei mentang yu ya kecingkela kam tam hapo kake HADC sibun ba ki an ki kanun ka bagi lathau bat ka donru ka jinge trei senrop lang bat ngi ka sarkar kumalaong UCM menne nilathau ya kawe ka standing expert committee Haswa bikin pas ya kan nuka bil ke jongki ban penkelalong ka an. Kadon shwa ke ji plu jingmut bat ki department jongi hapo secretariat bat ka district council bat hading nangta. Ki pa ya ka bil ke jongki ki pas hapo ka yang dorbar ke jongki bat ka bak hadu ka sorka ka pa syaulat ba un asen lani puna proof ya kata kumtang layo bun ba ki an ki kanun banang pen scam banang pen bit banang pen biang banang pen janai susu ya karu kom trade kam jomatis council.
And today, after a year, to finally see it fructify and to see the scholars and to be amongst you and to see the work complete from that day till today, from that idea to actual fructification of the idea and actually holding the books in my hand is indeed a great sense of satisfaction. I remember discussing with Honorable Prime Minister regarding different aspects and issues about Northeast, tribal society, Meghalaya state. And in that discussion, Honorable Prime Minister was very particular about the knowledge that is there within the tribal society. Friends, tribal society and culture has so much to offer to this world. Sometimes we tend to overlook and take things for granted. But as scholars, I'm sure you will know better that the traditional knowledge and the practices in some areas could and are actually solutions to some of the global problems that we face. So this is what really it is. I hope we will go from culture, from language, from music, from historic places to overall history of our state. So many areas that we can cover, and I really encourage our young researchers and scholars to please take interest in this, document it, and ensure that this is available for the future generations to utilize in the best possible way.